Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you about the first 8 notes on a trumpet. This will be a beginner lesson, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you how to play and properly make the sounds for the first 8 notes. They're going to sound something like this. Perfect. If you want to make those sounds and play those notes, then this is the video for you. It's actually fairly easy to learn to do. The first note is going to be your C, and this is going to be your lower C. We're essentially going from lower C all the way to the higher C. And there's notes above it and below it as well, but basically this is going to be your basic range. So for your lower C, it's just open, no fingers, buzz your lips, and that's the sound that you should hear. For D is 1 and 3. So 1 and 3, just like that, 1 and 3. That's what it's going to sound like. For E is 1 and 2. 1 and 2, just like that. For F is just 1 like that. For G, it's going to be open, so nothing. But it's a little bit higher than the C, right? So it's going to sound like this. The old C sounded like this, and the G sounds like this. And on a side note, you can even go higher than that as well. Cute, cool. I was gonna say cute and cool, and it came out as cool. I don't even know what that means. It's not even a real word, but I impressed myself a little bit there. That's why I'm laughing. I was like, whoa, that's a pretty high pitched sound. All right, A is gonna be 1 and 2. So once again, I'll do the G open, just so you know what it sounds like once again. A is gonna be 1 and 2. B is gonna be 2, just 2 alone. And then the higher C is going to be open again. Just kidding. It was just the first sound that you heard there. Anyways, let's start again, okay? So I'm going to go through from lower C to upper C and then back down. With the fingers, follow along. Sorry about that. My lips, I've been doing lots of trumpet videos right now. My lips are just completely, they need a break, but I'm going to keep pushing through it. So I'll go a little bit faster. And that is essentially it. If you're interested in that cool sound there, I plan on doing a tutorial on that sound in the future, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to know how to do it, just subscribe, because then hopefully you'll get notified when I release that video. But that is essentially it. Those are the first 8 notes on the trumpet. Once again, C is your first note, D is your second note, E is your third note, F is your 4th note, G is your 5th note, A is your 6th note, B is your 7th note, and then the higher C is your 8th note. I also just wanted to make sure that there was actually 8 notes that I showed you. That was my own way of verifying it. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.